Hi, I'm Kirsten, and I love to create, and I especially love to create during the holidays. So today with Diamond Dotz Freestyle, we are gonna create the perfect gift tag for all your Christmas presents. The supplies that you'll need to make all these gift tags are the Diamond Dotz adhesive, the Diamond Dotz guard, a simple craft brush, your tray, your stylus, and your wax. Always the most exciting is your Diamond Dotz Freestyle color palette. Pick the colors of your choice, and then all of the great accessories, your surfaces, your wooden alphabets, your scrapbook paper, and then ribbon and embellishments to make your gifts perfect. Let's get started crafting. The first thing you do if you're working with a wood surface, make sure that you base coat with a coordinating acrylic paint and let that dry completely. Once that's dry, you're going to apply your Diamond Dotz adhesive. You want a thick coat on the areas that you are going to add dots. Let your Diamond Dotz adhesive dry completely. It will be tacky and clear. Then you're applying your dots. The first thing you do is you want to make sure that you remove the plastic from both sides of your wax. Load the Diamond Dot color that you're using into your tray and you will lightly shake that. That settles all of your dots so that they're easy to pick up. And then you simply dot all the areas that were adhesive, completely covering your letters, your alphabets, and all of your adhesive areas. And then you press that down, making sure that all of your dots are firmly attached. And then you assemble your gift tags, add ribbon and greenery, and make them perfect for all of your wrapped gifts. We know you're gonna have so much fun wrapping all of your holiday presents with your Diamond Dotz Freestyle personalized gift tags. We can't wait to see what you guys create. Like our video, subscribe, and we can't wait to see you next time.